Make a great choice today with the 2019 Prius Prime. The Toyota Prius Prime offers you all the efficiencies that you've come to expect from an electric hybrid vehicle. A comfortable ride, solid handling, and a plethora of technology features are all items you'll experience when you get behind the wheel of the Prius Prime, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, backup camera, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.